Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Hi, my name is Denise Quizon. I am a student at New College, graduating with a bachelor's degree in biology and a minor in communications at the West Valley campus. You know, being away from home as an out-of-state student, it's far away, I don't have family here, but New College stood out to me because of the smaller classes and the community that it builds. And science has always been super interesting to me growing up, and I knew a path to medicine and helping others would be such an impactful moment. Professor Kunkel has really established a sense of community just being present at the Comm Lab, where I went from a front desk coordinator to a mentor and now to a teaching assistant. You know, you're not just a student, but you are someone that he welcomed in that space, and I've always enjoyed being in that lab. I am a medical assistant at a urology clinic. I do undergrad research with professors. Here at New College, we have a great team of faculty and teachers, and I feel like they can give you some of the best advice in terms of networking, pointing out to the right clubs, organizations. I hope to be a physician to bridge the gap when communicating difficult terminology in a way that patients can understand what their physicians are communicating. And I think New College has played such a big role in my time and in my goals, as they've given me the foundation to not only have that knowledge academic-wise, but also to instill some resilience and adaptability in all of my classes, as well as to our changing society.